first named storm of the 2015 storm season, Tropical Storm Anna, currently offshore, approximately 170 miles away. Right now we're having sustained winds between 15 to 20 miles an hour and a nice cold rain. Already the feeder clouds with some squalls are coming on the shore. Rip currents are happening as city officials close the beach for all swimming. This weekend is going to be an interesting development for Myrtle Beach. Even with Hurricane Hugo, we have not seen a named storm make landfall here in Myrtle Beach. We've had close calls. Hurricane Floyd just missed us making landfall up in North Carolina. We've caught the brunt of some tropical storms as they've blown near us but never through us. And even though this is supposed to be a minimal tropical storm, the sustained winds and rain associated with it, this will be unique. We'll see how things shape up over this weekend as Tropical Storm Anna comes calling.